Good morning students. Sai Ram. Today we are going to continue chapter 3 addition part 4. Now arrange vertically and add. Now the first question is 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 5, 6, 7, 8. Here children, you can see there are 4-digit numbers, right? Now how you are going to arrange these 4-digit numbers? First what you are going to do, you have to write the place, units, tens, 100,000, 10,000, and now you are going to arrange, right? So from where you are going to start? From the units place, right? So first number, which number will come in units place? 9. In tens place, 8. 7 will come in hundreds place, and 6 will come in thousands place. Very good. Now we are going to arrange the next number, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 will come in units place, 7 will come in tens place, and 6 will come in hundreds place. 5 will come in thousands place. Very good. So this way you have to arrange first vertically and then you are going to add. Now we are going to add the numbers from the units place, right? We are going to start from units place. 9 plus 8 is how much? 17. Yes, so 7 will come down and where 1 will go? Tens place. Now we are going to add tens place. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. So 6 will come in tens place and where 1 will go? Hundreds place. Now we are going to add hundreds place number. Now 7 plus 1, 8. And 8 plus 6 is how much? 14. Very good. So 1 will go in thousands place. Now we are going to add thousands place number. 6 plus 1, 7, right? And 7 plus 5 is how much? 12. So 2 will come in thousands place and 1 will go in 10,000s place. Now there is no number in 10,000s place, right? So we will bring that carryover down. So your answer is 12,467. Now we will do second sum. Here also you can see the question is 4795 plus 8907. Both the numbers are 4-digit numbers, right? So again first you will write the place, units, tens, 100,000, 10,000, and now you are going to arrange vertically the numbers. So we will start from units place. Now 5 will come in units place, 9 will come in tens place, 7 will come in hundreds place, and 4 will come in thousands place. Very good. Now we will arrange the next number. Now 7 again will come in which place? Units place. 0 tens place, and 9 hundreds place, 8 thousands place, right? Now you have arranged the numbers. Now we are going to add. So first we are going to start from units place. Now 5 plus 7 is how much? Yes, 12. So 2 will come in units place down and 1 will go in tens place. Now we are going to add tens place number, right? 9 plus 1 is how much? 10, right? So 0 will come down in tens place and 1 will go in hundreds place, right? Now we are going to add hundreds place number. Now 7 plus 1, how much it is? Yes, 8. And 8 plus 9, 17, right? So 7 will come down and where 1 will go? In thousands place. Now we will add thousands place numbers, right? Now 4 plus 1, 5, right? And 5 plus 8, 13. So 3 will come down and 1 will go in 10,000s place. Again there is no number, so you will bring that carryover down. So what is your answer? 13,702. Got it? Now we will see next question. Here you can see there is 5-digit number and 3-digit number, right? Now we are going to see how we are going to arrange these two different digit numbers, 5-digit and 3-digit number. So again, first you will write the place. Units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now which number will come in units place? 6. 5 will come in tens place. 8 will come in hundreds place. Again 8 will come in thousands place, and 9 will come in 10,000s place, right? Now the second number is 3-digit number. You cannot start from 10,000. From where you are going to start? From the units place. Now let us see which number will come in units place. 7. In tens place, 6. In hundreds place, 2. Now you have arranged correctly all the numbers, right? Now you are going to add it. Now we will start from units place. 6 plus 7, 13, right? So 3 will come down, and where 1 will go? Tens place. That is the next place. Now we will add 5 plus 1, 6, and 6 plus 6, 12. Very good. So 2 will come in tens place, and where 1 will go? To the next number, next place, that is hundreds place, right? Now 8 plus 1 is how much? 9. And 9 plus 2, 11. So in hundreds place, down 1 will come, and where 1 will go? In thousands place. Now we will add thousands place number. 8 plus 1, 9. And 10,000, there is no number. So what you will do? You will bring that 9 down. Now what is your answer? 99,123. This is your answer. Now we are going to do fourth sum, right? Now see the question in fourth number. 27495 plus 8316. Here you can see there is 5-digit number and 4-digit number. So we are going to see how you will arrange this 5-digit number and 4-digit number. So we are doing different type of sums. First we have done 4-digit plus 4-digit, then 5-digit plus 3-digit, 5-digit plus 4-digit, 3-digit plus 2-digit. Okay, so you should know how to arrange vertically and then add it. So now let us see. First the place is written, right? Units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now we are going to arrange the numbers vertically. Now let's see which number will come in units place. Yes, first what will come in units place? 5. 9 will come in tens place. 4 will come in hundreds place. 7 will come in thousands place. And 2 will come in 10,000s place, right? Very good. Now let us arrange next 4-digit number. Okay. Now 6 will come where? In units place. 1 will come in tens place. 3 will come in hundreds place, and 8 will go in thousands place, right? So this way you have to arrange the numbers. After arranging the numbers, you are going to add. So we are going to start from units place. Now let us add units place numbers. 5 plus 6, how much it is? 11. So 1 will be down in units place. Okay, now we are going to add tens place number, units place number first, right? So 5 plus 6 is 11. So 1 will go down and 1 will go in tens place. Now we are going to add tens place number, right? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 will be down in tens place and the other one will go in hundreds place. Now we are going to add hundreds place number, right? So 4 plus 1, 5, right? 5 plus 3, after 5 you have to add 3. How much it will be? 8, right? Now we will see thousands place number. Now 7 plus 8, yes, 15. So 5 will be down and 1 will go in 10,000s place. Now we will add 10,000s place number. Now 2 plus 1 is how much? 3, right? Very good. So what answer we get? 33,511. That is 35,811. Now we will do next number. Okay, next sum. Now here you can see there is 52938 plus 28473. Both the numbers are 5-digit numbers, right? Now we are going to arrange this 5-digit numbers. So again, first you will write the place. Now then you are going to start writing the numbers vertically. Now let's see which number will come in units place. 8. 3 will come in tens place. 9 will come in hundreds place. 2 will come in thousands place. And 5 will come in 10,000s place. Very good. Now let us arrange the next number. Now which number will come in units place? 3. 7 will come in tens place. 4 will come in hundreds place. 8 will come in thousands place. And 2 will come in 10,000s place. Very good. Now after arranging the number, we are going to add the number. We are going to start from units place. Now let us add units place number. 8 plus 3. After 8 count 3. 9, 10, 11. So your answer is 11. So 1 will come in units place. You cannot write both the numbers, right? The other one will go carry over in tens place. Now we will add tens place number. 3 plus 1, 4, right? And 4 plus 7, yes, 11, right? So 1 will come down and the other one will go to the next number, next place, that is hundreds place. Now let us add hundreds place number, right? 9 plus 1, 10. And 10 plus 4, 14. So 4 will be down and 1 will go in thousands place. Now we will add thousands place number, right? Now 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, and 3 plus 8, 11. Very good. So 1 will come down. Now we will add 10,000s place number. Okay, see 1 came down and the other one will go in 10,000s place. Now we are going to add 10,000 place number. Now 5 plus 1, 6. And 6 plus 2, 8. So what is your answer? 81,411. Now let us do next sum. Now here you can see 56,000 plus 7,300 plus 825 plus 95, right? Here you can see 5-digit number plus 4-digit number plus 3-digit number plus 2-digit number. Here we are going to add 4 different types of number. And why I had put 3 plus sign, children? Yes, because here you can see 56,000 plus 7,300, right? 7,300 plus 825. 825 plus 95. Here you can see the 3 sign symbol of plus is there in the question also. That is why I had put 3 plus sign. So now let us see how we are going to do this sum. Okay. We are going to start writing the numbers from units place. Now 0 will come in units place. Again 0 will come in tens place. 0 will come in hundreds place. 6 will come in 10,000s place. And 5 will come in 10,000s place. So this is how we arrange the 5-digit number. Now let us go to next number. That is 7,300. Okay. Now units place 0. Tens place again 0. 3 will come in hundreds place and 7 will come in thousands place, right? Now 825. How you are going to arrange? 5 will come in units place, 2 will come in tens place and 8 will come in hundreds place. Now 95. Again 5 will come in units place, and 9 will come in tens place. Now you have arranged the number according to their place, right? After arranging, we are going to add. Now here you can see there are 4 numbers in units place. 0, 0, 5, 5. So 5 plus 5 is how much? 10. 0 will come down and 1 will go to tens place. Now we will add all the numbers in tens place. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 0 is not having any value, so we will not add 0, right? And 1 will go in, carry over will go in hundreds place. Now again 1 plus 3, 4. And 4 plus 8, 12. So 2 will come in hundreds place and 1 will go in thousands place. Carry over, right? Now we will add the numbers in thousands place. Now 6 plus 1, 7. And 7 plus 7 is 14. So 4 will come down and 1 will go in 10,000s place. Now we will add the number in 10,000s place. 5 plus 1 is how much? 6. So what is your answer? 64,220. Now let us do next sum. Here you can see the question. 500 plus 780 plus 60 plus 49. Okay. Now here there is 3-digit number and 2-digit number. Now let us see how to arrange these numbers and add. So we will start with the first number, 500. Which number will come in units place? First 0. Again 0 will come in tens place and 5 will go in hundreds place. Now next number is 780. So 0 will go in units place, 8 will come in tens place and 7 will be in hundreds place. Okay. Now next is 60. 0 will come in units place, 6 will come in tens place. Now 49. So 9 will come in units place, 4 will come in tens place. Very good. You have arranged properly. After arranging the number, now let us add. So we are going to add now units place number. Now all 0, 0, 0 only, right? So only 9 is the number written there. So what is your answer? 0 plus 9 will be 9 only, right? Now let us add tens place number. So 0 plus 8 will be 8 only, right? And 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. So what will come in tens place? 8. And 1 will go to hundreds place. Carry over. Now let us add hundreds place number. 5 plus 1, 6. And 6 plus 7, 13. So 3 will be down in hundreds place and 1 will go to thousands place. Now there is no number in thousands place. So you will bring that one down in answer. What is the answer? 1389. So this way you must understood how to add different digit numbers like 5-digit number plus 4-digit number, 5-digit number plus 2-digit number and so on. We are going to continue with the same chapter in the next class. Thank you, children.